Hey guys, Josh here with TrailBuilt Off-Road and TrailBuilt Off-Road Garage doing another 2-inch rough country lift kit today on this 2007 JKU. The 2-inch rough country lift kit is the perfect entry-level budget boost if you're looking for just a couple of inches lift on your Jeep. So today we'll go through and we'll show you a couple of components on the rough country lift kit. It's pretty basic. It's about 4 spacers and a couple of shock extension tabs is really all it is, and some hardware. The whole kit itself runs for $170. You can find it on our website at www.trailbuiltoffroad.com under suspension. Another component with this rough country 2-inch lift kit are going to be these 2-inch coil spacers that go above the coil. Pretty easy to install. You want to jack up the Jeep on some kind of lift or floor jack, pull the axle down, pull the coil spring out, insert this coil spacer, hold down the axle or pull down the axle, insert the coil spring back in. So on a technicality rating, I'd give it, out of a 10 being easiest, I'd give it a 10.